Good afternoon. I'm in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. It's February 1st, 2015, and we're having blizzardy conditions here. I'm in my 1998 Subaru Legacy Outback Limited, and apparently I'm stuck. But I was going to go get some gas before I run out and before the whole town gets closed down here. So let's put that four-wheel drive to work and get on somewhere here. So this is our first appreciable snowfall we've had this season, outside of a couple snow incidents, but this is a good 18 hours, 20 hours into a storm here in southeast Wisconsin. Snow is going to go on until about 2-3 o'clock in the morning. For a duration of about 36 hours or so. Have a projected accumulation of about 8 inches. So I'm going to take you for a little ride, see what this looks like, as I haven't gotten out and about yet. And I'm going to travel a distance of probably about 2-3 miles to the gas station. Bring you along for the ride. And we will have... People should have been learning how to drive already. Here, I'm going to get around all this traffic here. Let's go this way. Cold. As you can see, the roads haven't been plowed very well. Wind's blowing everywhere. Got a lot of drifty snow. Let's see, I'm over in the east side portion of Milwaukee, kind of near downtown. We got this road has been plowed so far. Now it's about what, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, 3:30. So there's been enough time for some of the plow trucks to have been out, but I think they're focusing their routes on more of the main roads, and then we'll go back and touch up blowing the drifty stuff from there. Pretty blustery out. get sideways, hit the gas to straighten it out. I mean, applying the brakes is going to do nothing but spin you out in the middle of the road, lose all your momentum, perhaps get stuck. And I got some like 235, 60, 235, 50, 16 tires here that aren't really the best for snows. They're too wide and kind of skate around. So, don't really quite have the footprint to cut through the treads like I want them to. Across the street. Bring it to a stop. Alright, here's our gas station. Find my way into there as soon as this traffic comes across the way here. Alright, here we go. Alright, just like that with gas. Because I'm thirsty. Alright, I got a full tank of gas. The car took 15.337. From what I understand, it holds 15.9. So it's lucky I got here and didn't get stuck somewhere, or I'd be screwed. Alright, so driving around, got my shifter, start off in 2. What's nice about this automatic transmission is when you put it in 2, it starts in 2 versus 1, so you can kind of walk out of a hole versus spinning your wheels, and it will stay in 2. Otherwise, if you put it in 3, it'll take off in 1st, 2nd, but stay in 3rd, giving you a little bit of compression braking when you stop. Kind of gives your, I don't know, slow down spread across all 4 wheels versus biasing any one wheel that may want it to lock up or kick out from you. As you can see, my ABS fuse is on, my light. I pulled the fuse to it. This ABS just doesn't let you stop in snowy and icy conditions, and I'm going to purposefully lock up the brakes to get the car to do what I want it to do, that I can steer with the brake and the throttle as any good driver would do in any car. Alright, pedestrians, mind the traffic. Mind them left turns. Come on, get her, get her, get her, get her. There we are. A little sideways for you. Catching a rut. And the way to really do that is to throttle through. Otherwise, just come around sideways in the middle of the street. Alright. Alright, just sit back and enjoy the ride. Alright, so I'm going to be doing speeds within 30 miles an hour, 35, 40, so I'm just going to leave my transmission in 2nd gear and let the car drive itself, essentially. That left turn. streets in town, bar scene and all that. Keep going. What? Oh, there she is. How's the car doing? Whoa, come on, where are we at? Quite windy. This is the shore of Lake Michigan over here. To the right, if you can see it, a pretty strong blast. It's almost blowing my car to a halt here. The lakes are roiling a boil there.